Have you ever felt like the world has turned its back on you? Like every door you try to open is closed and every path seems blocked? Maybe you've asked yourself, why me? Why now? Why all this pain? Perhaps you feel unseen, unheard, or even forgotten. But my dear friend, what if I told you that your pain is not random? What if I told you that every tear you shed, every sleepless night, every struggle you face is part of a divine plan that is far greater than what your heart can imagine? Today, I want you to sit with me and reflect on this truth. Your pain has a purpose you cannot see yet. Life often brings moments that challenge us deeply. Perhaps you lost someone you loved dearly. Perhaps a dream you worked for vanished in an instant. Maybe you face rejection, betrayal, or heartbreak. And it is in these moments when the night feels longest and the heart feels heaviest that we must remind ourselves that Allah is closer than we think. He knows every sorrow, every difficulty, and every silent prayer we whisper in the darkness. I remember a story of a man who lost his job unexpectedly. He felt defeated, worthless, and hopeless. Every day he walked with a heaviness in his heart, asking, why me? Why is this happening to me? Yet, years later, he found himself in a position he never imagined, helping countless people, inspiring others, and building something that would leave a lasting impact. The pain of losing his job had hidden blessings he could not see at the time. Sometimes what feels like an ending is actually a preparation for something greater. Reflect on the story of Prophet Ayub. Peace be upon him. He faced immense trials, loss of health, wealth, and family. Yet, through it all, he remained patient and steadfast in his faith. Why? Because he trusted in Allah's plan. He understood that every trial was a means of purification, a means of drawing closer to his Lord. And in the end, his patience brought him blessings greater than what he had lost. My dear friend, your struggles too can carry this same divine wisdom. You see, pain is not meaningless. It is a teacher. It teaches us patience, humility, and gratitude. It reminds us of our dependence on Allah, and it shapes our character. Every difficulty you face can become a stepping stone toward a stronger, wiser, and more compassionate version of yourself. Have you considered that perhaps your current struggle is preparing you for something beautiful that you cannot yet comprehend? Sometimes we become so focused on the hurt that we fail to see the lesson hidden within it. We ask, why did this happen to me? Why did they hurt me? Why did I fail? But let us pause and ask another question. What is Allah trying to teach me through this moment? What growth is being cultivated in my heart that I cannot yet perceive? I want you to close your eyes for a moment and breathe deeply. Reflect on the difficulties you faced. Now imagine each trial as a seed planted by Allah. At first, it may seem buried, unseen, even heavy. But in time, with patience, care, and trust in the divine, this seed will grow into something beautiful. It may blossom into strength, wisdom, or compassion. It may open doors you never knew existed. It may transform your life in ways that your mind cannot yet grasp. Consider the words of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. When a servant is afflicted and he shows patience, he is rewarded. Every hardship carries with it a hidden gift, a mercy, and a lesson. So even when you feel broken, even when the pain seems unbearable, remember this: your struggle is not wasted. Your tears are not meaningless. Your heartache is not unnoticed. Allah sees, Allah knows, and Allah will reward. I know some of you may be thinking, but what about the people who have caused me pain? The betrayal, the injustice, the cruelty I've experienced. It is natural to feel hurt, to feel anger, to feel sadness. Yet, my dear friend, in these moments, let your heart turn to Allah. Let your trust in Him become stronger than your hurt. For when you surrender to His plan, when you allow patience and faith to guide your response, you open the door to healing and transformation. Pain also teaches us empathy. When we face hardship, we gain the ability to understand and support others in their struggles. Your suffering can become a source of guidance, comfort, and inspiration for those around you. Every trial you endure can be transformed into a light for someone else. Imagine how powerful it is when your journey of hardship becomes a beacon of hope for another soul. And let us not forget gratitude. It may seem difficult to be thankful in the midst of pain. Yet even small moments of gratitude can shift our perspective. A single breath, a roof over your head, a friend's smile. These are reminders that Allah's mercy surrounds you even in the darkest times. When we cultivate gratitude alongside patience, our hearts find peace even amidst trials. Sometimes we may not see the purpose of our pain immediately, but remember, Allah is the best planner. What may appear as a setback is often a setup for something far greater. What seems like an obstacle may be the very pathway to success, growth, and fulfillment. Trust that every moment, even the painful ones, is woven into your life for a reason. My dear brother, my dear sister, take comfort in this truth. No hardship lasts forever. No sorrow is eternal, and no trial comes without wisdom. Your pain, though real and heavy, is temporary. It is shaping you, teaching you, and preparing you for a life filled with blessings you cannot yet see. So hold on, remain steadfast, and remember that Allah's timing is perfect. Pause for a moment and reflect. How often do we allow ourselves to feel the depth of our struggles, yet forget to trust in the depth of Allah's mercy? How often do we cling to our pain without opening our hearts to the possibility of growth and blessing? My dear friend, your journey is not in vain. Your heartache is not wasted. And your tears are not unnoticed. Even when the world misunderstands you, even when friends turn away, even when circumstances seem hopeless, remember Allah is closer than your jugular vein. He knows your pain, your struggle, your doubts, and your fears, and He promises that after hardship comes ease. Let your heart be patient, let your spirit be calm, and let your trust in Allah be unwavering. Every trial is a step toward your growth. Every struggle is a lesson. And every moment of pain carries a purpose, even if it is hidden from your eyes today. Hold on to hope, my dear friend. Do not allow despair to take root in your heart. The night may be long, but the dawn is certain. And just as the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, reminded us, those who endure with patience will be rewarded beyond measure. Your pain has a purpose. Your journey has meaning. And your life, with all its trials, is under the care of a Lord who loves you infinitely. Now let us continue and reflect deeper. Sometimes we ask ourselves, why do certain people leave our lives? Why do opportunities vanish just when we thought we were ready? Why do doors close and hearts break? My dear friend, understand this. Sometimes Allah hides us before He elevates us. Sometimes He allows certain chapters of our life to end quietly so that the next chapter may begin with blessings far greater than we can imagine. Have you noticed how sometimes when a door closes, you feel lost, uncertain, or even rejected? Yet years later, you realize that that very closure was a protection, a preparation for something much better. Perhaps you were shielded from harm, preserved from a path that was not meant for you, or given the space to grow in ways you could not see. Every hidden moment, every unseen trial, every quiet struggle carries divine wisdom. Consider the story of the Prophet Yusuf. Peace be upon him. He faced betrayal by his own brothers, was thrown into a well, sold into slavery, and imprisoned unjustly. Yet, through all this hardship, he remained steadfast, patient, and faithful. Years later, he rose to a position of authority and wisdom, not only saving his people, but also bringing mercy and guidance to those who had wronged him. Sometimes our suffering is the very thing that prepares us for greatness. I want you to reflect for a moment. What if the pain you feel today is actually a shield? What if the struggles you face are training you for a life you cannot yet see? What if every disappointment, every heartbreak, every closed door is actually an act of divine protection? These thoughts may feel difficult to accept, yet they carry immense comfort. For Allah knows what we do not, and He sees what we cannot. Many of us live in a world of comparison. We see others succeeding, achieving, or finding happiness, and we wonder, why not me? Why do they seem to have it all while I struggle? My dear friend, do not let comparison steal your peace. Allah's plan is personal, unique, and perfectly timed. Your journey is your own. What is meant for you will never miss you, and what misses you was never meant to be yours. Trust in this divine wisdom, even when it challenges your understanding. Pain, in its deepest form, teaches us reliance on Allah. When all else fails, when human support is absent, when circumstances seem unbearable, it is then that we turn to the one who never abandons us, the one whose mercy encompasses all things, the one whose wisdom is beyond comprehension, the one who promises relief after every difficulty. My dear brother, my dear sister, let your pain become a bridge that connects your heart more deeply with Allah. Sometimes the most difficult moments in life strip away everything we cling to. Our pride, our illusions, our sense of control. It is in these moments that our hearts become humble, our spirits become soft, and our souls become ready for transformation. What feels like loss may actually be a profound form of preparation. Have you considered that your emptiness today is making space for blessings tomorrow? And let us reflect on patience. It is not simply waiting, it is waiting with faith, with trust, with hope, and with resilience. Patience is an active state of surrender to Allah's plan. It is not resignation, it is a powerful declaration that you believe in the wisdom of the one who knows all. Every tear you shed with patience, every trial you endure with faith, every moment you persevere with hope is planting seeds of reward that will blossom in ways you cannot yet see. Think about the moments you wanted answers, solutions, or relief immediately, and yet sometimes the answers came later in forms more beautiful than you expected. Perhaps a hardship delayed a blessing. Perhaps a closed door directed you to a better path. Perhaps a disappointment saved you from future pain. The divine plan is intricate, precise, and infinitely wise. Your role is to trust, to endure, and to hold on to hope. Now, consider the heartaches that have left you feeling hollow or broken. The betrayals, the losses, the moments of rejection. They may feel unbearable now, yet these very experiences can cultivate a heart that is compassionate, understanding, and resilient. The pain you endure today can make you a source of comfort for someone else tomorrow. Your struggles are not in vain, they are transformative. Sometimes we must let go before we can receive. Sometimes Allah removes people, opportunities, or comforts from our lives, not as a punishment, but as a preparation. When we release what is not meant for us, we make room for what is truly meant. It may be uncomfortable, it may be painful, but it is necessary for growth and elevation. Let us also remember the power of reflection. When we look back at past struggles, we often see how they shaped us, strengthened us, and guided us to where we are today. Your current pain may not yet reveal its purpose, but in time, clarity will come. Trust that Allah's timing is perfect and that every moment is a step toward something greater. Consider this. What if the struggles you are facing today are building resilience, patience, and wisdom that will serve you for a lifetime? What if the challenges are teaching you lessons that comfort, guide, and inspire others? Sometimes our pain is the very thing that allows us to touch the hearts of people in ways joy alone cannot. And remember, hope is never lost. Even in the darkest nights, even in the heaviest storms, the sun will rise. Every difficulty carries a promise of ease. Every trial carries the potential for growth. Every heartache carries a hidden blessing. And through it all, Allah's mercy, wisdom, and love remain constant. So, my dear brother, my dear sister, I ask you to reflect, how often do we allow ourselves to trust in the unseen? How often do we surrender our need to control and simply believe that Allah's plan is greater than our pain? It is in this surrender, this trust, and this faith that we find peace. As you navigate your trials, carry this truth in your heart: your pain is purposeful. Your struggles are preparing you. Your closed doors are guiding you. Your hardships are teaching you. And the one who knows all, sees all, and loves all is with you every step of the way. Remember, even when life feels overwhelming, when hope seems distant, when the heart is heavy, Allah's plan is in motion. He hides you not to harm you, but to protect you. He delays blessings not to punish you, but to prepare you. He allows pain not to break you, but to shape you. Trust in His wisdom, and your heart will find peace beyond understanding. And in conclusion, my dear friend, I want you to hold on to these words: that your journey, with all its trials, is meaningful. Your pain, with all its weight, has a purpose. Your struggles, with all their challenges, are preparing you for elevation. Do not despair. Do not lose hope. Remain patient. Remain steadfast. And remain trusting in the one who knows best. Share this message with those who may be struggling. Remind them that their pain is not wasted, that their struggles are not meaningless, and that their journey is guided by a divine plan far greater than they can see. Subscribe and continue to seek content that brings you closer to peace, purpose, and the love of Allah.